All right, we're here at Broadmoor Motors in Middleville, and we're looking at this 2007 Continental GT, and I want to show you the top, how it works. Works flawlessly. And we're going to do a quick condition report on it. Thank you, Ben. So we're going to look at the whole car. Really, the exterior is in awesome shape. For the most part, it doesn't have much paint work. However, this one is a rebuilt title and has had paint work in the front. So we put an OEM bumper on it. The paint job came out amazing. It matches. It's that green color, and I can't think of the name offhand. But the bumper fits perfectly. We paid $5 grand for that bumper, so it would fit right. But the wheels are in great shape. Tiny little nick down here. Tires are almost new. This wheel is about perfect. And really on the exterior, there's not many flaws, but I will show you on the deck lid here. There's a light scratch that's been touched up. I think if you wet sanded it, buffed it, it'd probably look even better, but it's hard to notice unless you're looking for it. But there's a little bit of tiny outie here on the bumper, a little bit of touch up on the rear bumper here. And again, this is for people that can't really see this in person, but the hood, the fenders, the bumper, pretty much flawless. That's a little plug driving it down here. Everything works as it should. As you saw, the top works. I'll show you the interior quick. The seats, I wouldn't call them perfect, but they do look great. Tiny bit of wear. The carpets are really nice. We have those plastic coverings over it now. Got a little bit of wear here on the green. Got to be careful with what materials you use for cleaning these cars. Door panel's in good shape. A couple very minor blemishes. The car does not smell like smoke. All this looks great. No lights on in the dash. It's got all 4 factory floor mats that are in great shape. Radio works great. Everything works as it should. And again, located here, Broadmoor Motors in Hastings. I'll quick show you under the hood and the trunk. Okay, we're back. Here's a shot under the hood, fully detailed. Excellent shape. Air blows cold. I'm going to show you the trunk. Factory floor mats. Again, for a rebuilt title, I'd rate this car very highly. Probably a 10 out of 10 for a rebuilt title. Without the title, maybe an 8 out of 10. Again, it's here located in Hastings, Michigan. Broadmoor Motors.